In this lesson, students will be engaging in a variety of design challenges using the Makey Makey Invention Kit, as well as computers and connection to the internet. Some of the materials you may need for this lesson are markers, popsicle sticks, copper brads, paper clips, jumper wires, thumbtacks, aluminum foil, 6B pencils, copper tape, conductive fruit, Play-Doh, and last but certainly not least, the Makey Makey Invention Kit. For this video, we'll be creating a series of simple circuits using the Makey Makey Invention Kits. The materials you'll need for the Simple Circuit Challenge is Play-Doh, jumper wires, LED lights, conductive fruit, we used a lemon, the alligator clips, as well as the Makey Makey. In addition to a computer to connect the Makey Makey to it. For the first simple circuit, we are going to use Play-Doh to create a simple circuit. Once you clear all the materials out of your way, the first thing you are going to do is grab your Makey Makey, make sure it's connected to a computer, and we use the back side of it. You're going to take your LED light and stick the short end, which is negative, into the output on the Makey Makey. The LED light will not light up. So then you're going to take your alligator clip and clip it to earth. Again, our Makey Makey is backwards so that you could see what we were clipping it to. And then we created some Play-Doh structures. Ours are circles. And you just stick those in, stick your alligator clip into your Play-Doh structure. Then you're gonna grab another one and another alligator clip and stick it to your Makey Makey and put that one in the Play-Doh. And once you put the Play-Doh together, your circuit will be complete and your LED light should light up. The next simple circuit is humans. How can we use humans to create a simple circuit? Well, first thing we're going to do is get rid of that Play-Doh. And if you notice, as we're doing this, the light is lighting up. So what you'll do is you'll grab the ends of the alligator clips and just hold on to them. Humans are conductors. So we're able to conduct electricity. How many people can you connect to make a human simple circuit? The last simple circuit that we're going to show you today is fruit. Specifically, we use a lemon. You can use strawberries or any kind of citrus to create a simple circuit. So just like before, we're connecting back to earth, and we're going to use yellow because yellow is the color of the lemon. And so we stick our alligator clip right inside that lemon. And if you notice, our LED light is not lighting up. But when we grab it, because we conduct electricity, you'll see it start to light up. But guess what else we can do? We can stick the alligator clip inside of that lemon and it'll light up because lemons are conductive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this and others that we know you'll enjoy. Do you have an idea for a seminar or a webinar that you would love to see NCCAP cover? Well, comment below or check out our website at www.ncafterschool.org.